A quick tip video from me this morning to let you know about a new feature that has just released from Microsoft for Teams, and it's the long-awaited Teams backgrounds. So if you click on the three dots when you're in a meeting and choose Show Background Effects, you'll see this panel open up on the right-hand side, which gives you a selection of pictures to choose from. And I quite like this one, so I'm going to choose to apply. If I choose preview, I don't see it so well. So here we go. There we can swap them around and it will change each time I apply. It will change my background. And that's quite nice mirror behind me. I could go and be a little bit more adventurous and go to the beach. So there are loads of things that you can choose from, quite a number of them. Pick the one you want. Now you'll notice that my green screen was lowered, and normally when I record, if you follow my courses, you'll know I have a green screen background to screen out what's behind me. But the green screen, if it's up, I get like a green halo around my hair. So I found it works better without the green screen. And that's my top tip for today. So once again, to show the background, click the three dots and choose Show Background Effects. Now it says Hide. So if I hide them, you'll see I'll go back to the full screen so I can't see them. And if I show the background effects and I want to turn them off, I can simply click this one. And this one will just blur the background in the usual way. So I'm going to choose No Background. And now I'm back to my office. See you in another tip.